Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Donner Dobuds 1 noise canceling Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a couple of different reasons. One is troubleshooting. If the earbuds will not connect to Bluetooth or they won't sync to your device, or you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or they keep disconnecting, any issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Also, if you just want to clear out all the devices and repair it with a new device because it's not connecting to the device you want, this will go ahead and do it. Just keep in mind you'll need to reconnect these earbuds to whatever device you want to use it on because it will be restored to its factory default settings. But if you want to do that, it's real easy. All you need to do is go ahead and put your earbuds in the case and then leave the case open. And with both earbuds inside the case and the case open, you're going to come in and you're going to press this reset button in the middle here for 3 seconds. And after 3 seconds, you'll notice that the lights will blink on both of the earbuds, at which point the reset is complete. You can take your earbuds out and repair them with whatever device you like.